Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn on Wi-Fi hotspot in Windows 11. So first step, you need to click here on the Windows Start and go into the settings. So once you are in your settings, you simply need to click on network and internet, and here you can see an option of mobile hotspot. Click on that, and here you can see the option of share my internet connection from. So here you need to select the Wi-Fi and turn that on from the top, and now you can see that it is turned on. And here you can see your name and password. If you want to change, you simply need to click here edit, and you can change your network name and password from here. So it is up to you when you want to change, or if you not want to change, this is the password. So this is the process that you need to follow to turn on Wi-Fi hotspot in Windows 11. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.